everybody. As you can see, we're getting ready to take off from this spot. I have to go to the visitor center, see if I have a place to plug in. All the Battleborn batteries are dead right now. They're not hooked up to solar or anything. And I have a collaboration I'm doing with Skillshare for Tiny Home Tours. And I need to make a final edit and then re-upload the video. My laptop's dead. So it's really windy right now. It's really cold. I'm hoping that I can just knock this out, get this done. And then at the visitor center, I can also figure out where a good hiking trail is and go run with Kobuk today. And we'll just be hanging out here at Pleasant Lake. And then later in the day, I'll be heading down south to drop Kobuk off to G. But it is a really cool spot here. I just wish it wasn't so darn cold.
I go if it's time to die. If I got to, and I'll scream if I want.
Not seeing any outlets. I guess I'll just have to check the building and see what they have going on, or if I stumble across any outside outlets, I can just sit my laptop outside and charge. Actually, looks like there might be some right there. Hope so. Maybe able to just sit my laptop out there, let it charge. But I still have a Renogy Firefly, which essentially is a lithium battery box. So we'll see what I can find out here. Alright. Got all my computer work done. Found an outlet in the bathroom. And then they had a back patio that had some outlets as well. See if I can get out of this tiny little parking lot without curbing. I think I'm gonna have to back up a time or two. Thankfully there's no cars in this area. They do have a pretty awesome little visitor area here, which you're about to see. They even have tips and tricks on fishing here. I used to do a lot of bass fishing here when I worked here in Tempe, and their advice was spot on. Anyways, for how I caught my fish, it's called a drop shot, where you get a rubber worm. You just kind of jig it up and down and it attracts the bass. But gonna go back to the spot I was at before, get on a trail, hike with Kobe's. Still got about another 5 hours or so here. Then head towards Tucson, drop off the pup, and then from there, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Just gonna go with the flow and
leave without you.
Enjoy the road.
'Cause we're all looking for somebody else.
Well, Kobe's and I are gonna go check out the trail. Actually, I need to grab his leash. That's the one of the bad things about going to a spot like this, just where there's park rangers and everything. You can't really have your dog off the leash. I mean, Kobe's really well trained, but just gotta bring it. Well, out here, beautiful, beautiful landscapes, as you can see all the way around me. They have beautiful saguaro cactuses. This trail goes about a mile and a half, and about 3 miles that way. It's actually pretty cool. You have the old GoPro, but you can see old Zep 2 right there. It's a pretty cool angle. But we're about to get some running done.
I go. It's time to die. If I got to, and I'll scream if I want to, but I won't leave without you.
Hey, let's go.
Looking for somebody else.
I'm out of shape. Done recording. Catch y'all back at the bus.
lightless star, won't you be mine? Lightless star, what are you hiding behind? Lightless star, I see a flicker of fire, so don't you dare let it expire. Locked in, locked out, and it's so sad, follows me about. And these chains around my bones, they are all cast from solid gold. We're all one, looking for somebody else.
Well, hello everybody. Just a little bit of an update. The last video that was shown was dropping Kobuk off. Hung out with G a little bit, dropped off Kobuk, did his little thing where he always looks out the back window. It sucks, but that's the reality of the situation. I have actually been in the spot that you just seen for about a week working with Aaron to get the solar done. Let me show you what we have. So we have decided to go with 9 Battleborn batteries for now. Aaron felt more comfortable going with this setup because you can put these batteries in parallel in 333. I do have 10 batteries with me, but say if we put the 4th battery over here, it might cause some load issues. These batteries do have a BMS in them, which should take care of that, but to be completely honest, with these 9 batteries, I should be completely fine on power. The goal is to actually order 2 more and then do 12 batteries. So I'll have 1200 amp hours of lithium capacity. That'll be further on down the road. I'm going to get my debt paid off, and that's also why the exterior has not been painted, because basically everything aesthetics with this bus, anything extra, is going to be after I get the debt paid off from the build. Once that's done and paid off, then I'll go into the extra stuff, adding new batteries, adding a ceiling, you know, just stuff that doesn't need to be done for the bus to function properly, essentially. So we got the negatives running in right through there. They're actually clamped in. We have the terminals right here, and the positive's going to be on this side. I actually, at the RV place that I'm at right now, they accept Amazon packages, so I literally just got the notification saying that the positive terminals are in. I'm waiting on some other components that we had to order in. I normally don't like paying for spots, but Aaron and his wife Amanda, they have kids, and as you saw, this is a pretty cool spot. There's plenty of room to run around. It's not like a Walmart parking lot. They were kind of tired of Ehrenberg because Ehrenberg's amazing, but it does get pretty windy there from time to time, so they wanted to get away from that. And also they have a dump station here, and you have unlimited showers, so it's $16 a night for dry camping. You have access to the dump station, but you also have access to their clubhouse, where I've been going to charge my laptop and my Renogy battery box and taking unlimited showers. So the first hot, well, I guess the laundromat, but this is the first place in months where I've actually been able to take consecutive hot showers, unlimited per night. Not that I'm in there for 15 minutes or whatever, but it's just nice having that hot water. So this has been a pretty cool spot. But back to the solar. So we have the 9 batteries ready to go. Need to jumper all of these. The wire that's coming in is going to do that. And then back here, we have the 2 Victron MPPT 150 60 charge controllers. This is the distribution box right here. This is where all the solar will come into. These are breakers right here, which leads down to the charge controllers, which goes into the inverter. I actually ended up switching out my 2000 watt inverter for this 3000 watt inverter. That's more along the lines of when I run the AC and say I'm using something else that takes a lot of power, I won't be limited by my inverter. Battleborn was nice enough to let me switch that out. Just paid an extra, few $100s, and Got that new inverter. I'm very happy that I ended up going with that. Also up here, this is a color control display, so I'll be able to, you know, go into the details of what my system is bringing in, where the power is going out, and then have this last little display right here so I can see things at a glance. So I don't have to come all the way over here. You know, obviously it's not a big deal. I kind of like having these. I actually ordered these as an extra. It's a display that you're able to put on your charge controller so I can actually see what charge controller is doing what. So very excited about this system. Aaron and Amanda actually left. I'm waiting here to get my other stuff in from Amazon. Some of it actually might not be until tomorrow, so I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to stay here again tonight or go meet up with them. Either way, hopefully within the next 2 or 3 days we have all the solar set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Patreon link down below, all that fun stuff. Lots of new things coming your way. Got lots in the works. Just got a call today about the new real estate job I'm going to do, so I'll have 2 real estate jobs on top of all this social media stuff. So being a very, very busy boy. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Catch you later.